Nasema bima bora.
Kuri na wagagu wiyumiritie gatagati ga thirikari cia matura wigie kugacira kwa mubango mweru wa marihi ma thibitari uria utambulikanite ta SHIF kugerera ndumiriri irerekereirio ni muikariri giti wa kamiti ya ugima wa mwiri Kanju ya magavana Muthomi Njuki kwaga kurekererio gwa kigina ni thirikari nene niguo ugukorwo ari muhinga munene muno. Kanju no ikiuga ati mubango uyu wari uheo ciringi bilioni 100 cia KUURUGURIA no nginyagia riu no ciringi bilioni 6 cirekereirio.
All the 4 bills that became acts that were passed, in our interpretation as the Council of Governors, are money bills. They were acts that were passed and they require money for implementation. And therefore, if there are any gaps in passing the same, because you cannot pass a money bill without providing the requisite resources that are required to implement that.
Mateta maya mokite riri mutaratara wa kuruguria SHIF uthiete na mbere na gutungana na moritu maingi guku aria mari na mirimu iria tahonagwo makiaga utungata wa SHIF na riu thirikari ni yorotetwo ni kuhika mubango uyu hatari kugia na miario na nyitite miothe.
We have rolled out in 15 counties. And we are in the process of rolling out the other remaining counties. Of course, it was a wise idea that since it's a new thing, we don't roll out in all the counties at once. And we are saying that so far, despite the fact that yes, it has taken place, it has challenges that are usually associated with any new system when it's taking off. Officially, NHIF came to an end. The number of Kenyans households who have registered for the new SHA are not even half of the country.
We have teething problems, but we believe that by Friday some of these teething problems will be cleared, because it's all about everybody doing the same thing at the same time, and we are bringing everybody under this system.
Kanju ya magavana riu ni uritie thirikari itigirire kuri na mashini cia kuigana kuhuthika ni ya Kenya kuyandikithia kuona ihinda-ini riri no mashini 5,000 iria cirahuthika thiini wa ceceni nyingi iria ciri kuo cia kuyandikithia ona gutuika thirikari yugite ati mashini 65,000 ni cikuongererwo.
Those facilities that do not have the gadgets, access to the systems, can be allowed to process their claims and registration manually, and later be able to transition that and digitize. We have appealed to the implementers, especially the ministry, to ensure that we increase the bandwidth and improve the system of registration.
We've had an engagement with the service providers. They are going to expand the bandwidth, and therefore more members will be registered within a short time. So we've taken note of that's why we're engaging with the governors. We have deployed additional 400 ICT officers from the Ministry of ICT to support the county ICT officers during this rollout.
Gukinyeria riu gutire county irekiranira ngirimiti na thirikari nene na uguo county ciugite ni cihingireirio ja wa mubango uyu.